Hope everyone's doing awesome today. So this is another casual ride into work and testing out the Akaso V50X, which is a relatively cheaper camera as compared to something like a GoPro or a DJI. Oh, there's a rickshaw signal up ahead. Man, you don't see that often. That's a sight to see. Yes, I was saying that I don't have the budget for the DJI or the GoPro for that matter, but I do want to get one of those in the future, so let's see how it goes. So the Akaso I think is a pretty decent camera. It'll do just fine for now. I am currently shooting at 2.7K at 30 FPS. I know it's pretty low frame rate, and I'm just experimenting with a lower frame rate to see how it would compare to something higher. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. I'm just testing camera angles. This is the super wide angle, and yeah, I cannot see the dash of the bike with this angle, so I'm just experimenting with that. And image stabilization is also off here. So we are on the Activa today. Not been riding the Bullet a lot because of the rains, but we'll definitely start riding the Royal Enfield soon, as soon as the rains stop. So let me tell me what you think about my riding style. I think it's quite safe. It's nothing major, nothing too crazy. Comment below and let me know. Here we have Hill Road coming up, and it is so much less crowded than the evening, because this is about 7 in the morning. And just up ahead, the rising sun is going to really put on a show for us. As you can see, it's just I can barely look at the sun. It is just, I'm looking down, it's so bright. But it does look damn good. And there we have signals green, as you can see, and the cart guy, the rickshaw wala, the cycle wala and the scooter guy just decided to blow past their red signals. I mean, I don't really understand how people can just risk their lives, risk everyone else's lives just to save a few minutes. I mean, just something I can't understand, and it's really not that worth it. So I'm just going to leave everyone with the rest of this video, and yeah, there'll be more videos coming in the future, so look forward to that. Thanks for watching.